want you creature. I pull you in and rip you apart, put you back together and preach I love people. That I just love too hard. I cause more damage than good that I can't afford to restore. The healer is hurting, man, I can't do this no more. I'm hateful, my whole life I've been told I'm ungrateful. I didn't dare to feel shameful, do I hate me? No way, that shit just sound crazy.
Konnichiwa, my royal queens and kings. It is your queen, Nicole, the Pisces queen. In today's video, I am making gumbo. Haven't had that in so long. Now, my way is the lazy way because I don't do from scratch too many times, okay? I'm lazy.
That she don't need him, and I want to make you out to be a bad guy.
So, what you're gonna need for this gumbo is some chicken, okay? Some crab meat already made. Well, I thought crab legs. I don't know. I forgot to look at that is. Some crabs, some blue crabs, just for the gumbo. Some shrimp. My favorite is shrimp. I like the big ones, but I didn't see those. And the gumbo base. That's right, because I ain't about to make it. I was told you're supposed to make. Oh, and the sausages. For some reason, people have been making gumbo this year with no sausages. Like, what the hell? What the hell are you doing with your life? Get it together. Gotta have those sausages. So, yeah, I'm going to clean my chicken first.
I said that you love me, but that'll last whenever it's cold outside. Like when you walked out my life, why you walk out my life? I get like this every time. On these days I feel like you need me.
I'm gonna turn my portable oven to 350. Yeah, I got this portable oven because I thought it was a slow cooker, but I was like, oh my god, this is a big slow cooker, I'm gonna buy it. And then when I got it home, I realized after reading it, it's a like portable oven, so it's kind of good because I bake a lot and boil a lot, so this is pretty good. And these kids are pretty greedy, so what I did was put in my chicken broth. Now I don't know what I was thinking about, why I bought the small one, but I really need like 4 of those big ones because I don't want to put water in there. I don't want it to be watery. I want it to be so good, but I didn't get those. So here we are with the small thing of chicken broth, and I have some chicken broth like little brick thingies. I forgot what they call it. I will put it in the screen so y'all can see it. And I put in 10 chicken drums because every time I make it, I usually put 5, and then it's not enough food, so I did double this year. So I got those from Sam's. Added my water, which I literally feel like it's a big mistake because you got to drain it all out. It's just like, what is your purpose, right? So mistakes have been made, and the next time I make it, I remember to get 4 of those big old things of chicken broth. And so I was cooking my food for about an hour, and I totally forgot to add all of my seasonings. Just ridiculous. I was wondering, like, what? I'm not smelling my food cooking, and that's because it was just boiling chicken with water and chicken broth, so you couldn't smell shit anyway. So I'm using salt. I think that was garlic salt. I said cayenne pepper, Creole seasoning, and I'm also gonna use some, what is it called? Old Bay seasoning, which I think is pretty good. So then after 2 hours of it cooking again, I started to clean my shrimp, my crab meat. Well, I didn't clean my shrimp. I did not clean my crab meat. I just put it in there. My crabs, and I'm about to get ready to cook my sausages. Fill you up and I'll take you around. Got someone like, don't you love when I come around? Somebody just build you up and I take. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, babe. So before I got with my husband, I used to cook my rice with my gumbo, but he doesn't like it that way. So Now I cook the rice separately, and I notice a lot of people when they cook their gumbo is always separately, which I don't really care because it's gonna all be mixed together anyway. But whatever. And so now I'm about to cook my sausages. I fry them first so they could be crunchy, and then I put them in there to cook for a good hour, 30 minutes, I think, with the rest of the gumbo.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was, you was good.
So right here, everything is cooked good, and I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 bags of my gumbo base. I think this is the best one. I believe I had another kind, like from a different company. I can't talk, but this is the best kind for me, and we all like it. So yeah, this is pretty much the end of the video. I'm gonna let it cook for another 30 minutes so the base can get nice and warm and, you know, melt into the food or whatever, and then we're gonna eat. And I have bought some Reese's crackers. I meant to buy the other ones, but I bought the Reese's, and it still was pretty good. So yeah, there you go, my gumbo the way I make it. I call it the lazy way, because who's gonna make all that base? Not I. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, please consider it. And thank you for watching. Bye. Trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the rondo, I'll give it to you. But baby